Good morning. The violation of human rights and approaching Human Rights Commission, Human Rights Courts under Article 32, Article 226 and Fatal Accident Act. All these statutory provisions are there enabling you to approach the court for any violation of human rights. But since the commission members are being politically appointed, there's no proper considerations about experience in dealing with Human Rights Commission, including the members apart from chairman. The Human Rights Commissions in important violation cases simply return or reject the complaint stating that FIR is pending, cases are pending, no violation. In some cases, they are excessively interfering with and award compensation, showing their authority. So the other day, my friend Solomon Peter Komaldas had discussed about a case wherein he is before Human Rights Commission. But whether that case is maintainable or not, only to answer that question now, I am going to discuss with this case decided by Jammu and Kashmir. Whether the Human Rights Commission is having jurisdictions or statutory power to deal with a doctor's negligence, government doctor's negligence, whether that tantamount human rights or not. I would like to discuss the judgment AAR 2021, Jammu and Kashmir, page 1. Airport Authority of India, Jammu and Kashmir, State Human Rights Commission. The section 13, 24 and 10 of Human Rights Act was discussed. Then Jammu Kashmir State Human Rights Commission Procedure Regulations 2011, Regulation 14. There are two cases referred to this particular dealt by the Human Rights Commission before the Jammu Kashmir. So do not confuse with why the Airport Authority was the appellant. Here says sale of pre-packaged food at prices above MRP. So restaurant and public outlet operating in airports, that was one. They say it's a civil dispute. 2010 Acts and packaged commodities rules provides mechanism for dealing with overpricing of commodities. So they have no jurisdiction, they say. Then again, another case. There were two cases. Another case was violation of human rights. Negligence of doctor. Petitioner government doctor committed negligence while attending to daughter of complainant who suffered a snake bite, resulting her death. Commission nowhere addressed that alleged negligence of petitioner while discharging his official duties constituted violation of human rights, clothing commission with jurisdiction. Commission breach and violation of provisions 1997 and 2011 regulation not only entertained complaints relating to issues falling beyond purview and scope of human rights, but also took cognizance of order taking on set aside. This is what had happened. So this case, this judgment, there were two OWP, original writ petitions. Probably Jammu and Kashmir is dealing with the original writ petitions. So that two cases were referred here. The one case pertaining to the Suomoto complaint about the MRP price, excess sale against MRP price at airport, and another one was a snake bite case where the medical officer he was on night duty and he attended attended the snake bite case. After subjecting her to various tests and examination, administered various medicines despite which her condition deteriorated. necessitating shifting her government medical college Jammu for putting her on ventilator, not being available in district hospital Rajouri. That she was subsequently died. So this negligence was worked before the Human Rights Commission. They have discussed various provisions of Human Rights Commissions, and finally, as I discussed, both the appeals, the petitions were allowed. These complaints pending before the Human Rights Commission was quashed. So that is most important. And another Human Rights Commission case is there. That is, this is Kerala case. Then this is also an excess example. AR 2021 NOC 80 Kerala, Manikumar CJ and AM Safiq UJ. Vishnu versus State of Kerala. Compensation for loss of parts of tipper lorry of complainant. Allegation that four wheels, tires, tubes, discs, batteries, starter, tools, etc. were missing from his vehicle, which was seized for illegally transporting river sand. Complainant solely impleaded officer on duty as sub-inspector of police. Officer cannot be held responsible for loss of parts of tipper lorry. Finding of Kerala is perverse, erroneous. So they have set aside. This is another example. And probably that is what my humble submission is. Whenever, instead of rushing to the court with basic English or a high standard of English vocabulary, drafting knowledge, that is not sufficient, even if you are poor drafting knowledge. But if you substantially draft a petition within the purview of the statutory provision under which you are praying for relief, if you beef it your word stating, at least you would have stated that by committing this or by negligence you did not value the human rights, and you did not concentrate on that, you have failed to protect the life. All these things, right to live is a fundamental right. All these things should have been, or you would have gone to the United Nations Charter which declares human rights. Proper medical facilities is also one of the human rights, by quoting that another several conferences conducted at various places of international level, wherein they would have discussed about treating of the patients, and these things, and these things there must be there. At least in airport case, they would have given a different color, how the that excess price of MRP affects human rights. They say I am having only few cash amount. If I did not purchase and eat that necessities which is being sold higher price than the MRP, there is possibility of either deterioration of life, or even if you want to purchase it. This way of argument would have been stated in that petition. But for that, it is the Jammu Kashmir is right. So you be very cautious that there are similar circumstances. If you are approaching Human Rights Commissions, you should draft it in a practical way, befitting with the provisions of the statute. And particularly, when you file a petition under Section so and so under Human Rights Act, your prayer should be in conformity with the words available with that, and for which the provision is their violation of human rights. So for that, for human rights definitions, in concerns with fundamental rights as well as ratio decidendi, and also international union charter, wherein our fundamental rights were declared, and this is what originated from Magna Carta, where initially fundamental rights, these human rights was given. So my humble request is to keep this judgment on your site, and kindly inform my friend Solomon that this case may be looked into, because he may be very busy. If you just remind him that this case is the case AR 2001 2021 page number 1 Jammu Kashmir. Best wishes.